Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to save time with laundry using this easy trick. That's right. In this video, I'll be specifically showing you and telling you the process with regards to how to save time with laundry using this easy trick. So that's right. If you want to save time with laundry, this is the video for you because I'll be showing you and telling you specifically how to save time with laundry using this easy and simple trick. Let's get into this video tutorial, okay? So it's basically like a tutorial slash trick video. And essentially, most of the time, okay, I'll start off by saying this. Your laundry machine is going to have different settings, okay? There's going to be different options. And I will tell you, I do all the laundry in my house for the most part. I do like 99% of the laundry because of the situation in our home, of me being able to work in the comfort of my own home when I do my content. So anyways, I do the laundry in my house, and 99% of the time, I use the normal cycle. I'd say 95% of the time I use the normal cycle. But if I want to save time, there are moments when I can use the quick wash cycle. So on your laundry machine, the trick is very simple. You want to save time, look for a quick wash or a fast wash or a quick option. There's going to likely be a quicker option. Now, if you're doing a big load of laundry that you want to be scrubbed clean and there's lots of stains and stuff, of course, I wouldn't recommend using the quick wash because it's not going to do as good of a job at that specific process for that load. However, there are many times when at the end of the week, there's just a little load of clothing and there's no stains on them. They're just, barely dirty and I just want to save some time. I'll do the quick wash and that saves quite a bit of time, okay? Now, if you do the math, depending on how many loads of laundry you do a week, okay, and how many of those loads could be quick wash, and you save that amount of time per week, per load, and then you figure out how much time that'll save, by the end of the year, you can be saving a lot of time by doing the quick wash sometimes. Now, like I said, it's not something you do all the time, but sometimes you should opt for the quick wash when it makes sense to do so, and you'll save time. And that's it. That's the easy trick. If you like this video laundry tutorial with this easy trick, please be sure if you like the video, once again, let me try and roll that outro again. If you like this content about saving time doing your laundry, and if you want to save some time and you can use this easy trick, if you like the video and everything I said about it, okay? If you liked it, I want you to make sure that you actually like it. So let's roll that outro because I'm kind of mashing that up, but we're going to roll the outro one last time, okay? If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumb. Oh man, I messed it up one more time. Okay, this is crazy. I don't know why I keep messing it up, but anyways, I hope you appreciate the fact that you're going to be saving time by using this trick, okay? Because if you save, 10 minutes a week, 20 minutes a week, and you multiply that by the end of the year, you're going to be saving a ton of time. And honestly, hopefully you found that value through watching this video. So with that being said, we're now going to roll the actual outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.